So hello guys, and let's continue with the tutorials of machine learning. So in the previous video we saw about the linear regression for a single variable, and now we'll have a look at the linear regression model for multiple variables. So let us have a look. So here I am into my Google Colab. As you know, I told you in the previous video, Google Colab. So we are using this to run all the codes. Okay, so let me get back to my Google Colab. So I've told you how to clone the repository which I will be giving you. Just go to file, open new notebook and go to GitHub, and I will give the link to my repository over here. Just paste the URL over here and you can directly clone the repository from my GitHub. Okay, now let me come back to the code of machine learning. So here is the data set which I am using over here, a d1.csv file. So here the price of the house is depending on the three variables. One is the area. Depending on the area, the price will be increasing, right? So, and also we are having the bedrooms, number of bedrooms. Based on the bedrooms, the price will be varying, and based on the age of the house or age of the property. If it is too old, the price will be a little less. If it is new, the price will be more. Okay, these are the three dependent variables which we will be training a model. And now here you can see there is an empty gap, okay, which is called as NaN. It will be filled as NaN. So we need to fill this gap with the mean of this. Okay, as usual, we'll start with the importing of the pandas and NumPy array, NumPy library, and we are also importing a sklearn library. As I told you in my previous video, sklearn. So sklearn library is used to train a machine learning model. Okay, it has a pre-trained algorithms. You need to just give the data and the different variables. So it will train your data based on your algorithm. We have different algorithms like linear regression, as we saw logistic regression. We have a decision tree and random forest and NLP and other algorithms. Here we are looking at the linear regression for multiple variables algorithm. So let me get back here. So we are importing linear model, and here the next step, what I am doing is I am importing a CSV file which I showed you, this thing d1.csv. You are getting it, and if you write df, it will display you the data over here. But here you can see the empty field is filled with NaN. We need to we can't directly give this NaN because it is a string value. The training algorithm takes only the integer values. Either you need to fill a random number, that is not good. What you can do is you need to take the mean of this and then fill it. To take the mean, what we will be doing, mean or median, what we will be doing, df is the data frame, and we will take the column which is the bedrooms. This is the column which we are taking, and we are taking the median of it. Okay, so this will give you the median value, which is 4 over here. As we got 4 is the median. Now we need to fill this place with 4. What we can do, I'll write it as df dot bedrooms. This is the bedrooms column which I am targeting. In this, df dot bedrooms dot fill na. Fill na means it will fill the value which is empty or which has NaN. Okay, fill Na with df dot bedrooms dot median, which is this thing. This is the mean. I can write it as median. Median is equal to df dot bedrooms dot median, and I'll run it. I'll take the median. As we know, median, the value of median is 4. Okay, and I can fill it over here. I will directly give it over here. Let me run. And here you can see the empty space which was over here is filled with the value 4. Okay, so the next thing which will be we'll just train the model. We need not do any special thing as we did in our linear regression for single variable. Same thing over here. I'll take a variable x where I will drop the price column. As we know, these three are the dependent variables: area, bedroom and age. Only 3 of them are the dependent variables. We'll be taking it in a value x. We will drop the price column. Okay, here we are dropping this column. Drop the price column, and then this is the price column over here. Now here what I'm doing is I'm selecting a model, linear model for linear regression. Okay, and then what I'll do, reg.fit, I'll fit the data. Okay, we are basically training the machine learning model over here. Training. Okay, we are training the model. For that, we are giving the parameters. This is the dependent variable, which is first 3 columns: area, bedroom and age. Okay, these 3 columns, and here we are giving the result, which is this price, df.price. What will this give you? In the previous tutorial I have told you df means it will give the full data frame, full data set. It will give you. If I write df dot area, it will just give me the area column. Okay, if I write df dot price, it will just give me this column. Okay, so we are passing the result column over here, df dot price over here, and we'll just train the model. After successfully training, let me start predicting. This is the coefficients. Okay, we have 3 coefficients over here, and now let me start predicting the value. Okay, here I am using reg.predict. The area is 3000 square feet, the area, and 3 bedroom. Okay, 3 bedrooms, and we are having the age of the house as 40. Let me run it, and here you can see this is the predicted price. Okay, this is the price which is predicted by our model. Okay, and this is the expression. This is the logic behind the prediction which it is using. Here we had filled 3000. 3000 is the area, and we have 3 bedrooms, and the age is 40. Okay, these 4 values are the coefficients and the intercepts which the model by itself has generated. These 2 things. We don't need this, just delete. Okay, so this is the linear regression model for multiple variables, and we can try it for different values as well. Let me try out this value. So for 2000 square feet of area and with a 4 bedroom and 5 years old, the approximate price will be 578876. Okay, this is the price predicted by our model. So we'll end the session over here, and we'll have a look at the other algorithms, logistic regression, in our next session. If you have not watched my previous session, please watch it and then come here. Thank you guys.